Hello guys, today we are going to see an interesting teapot that is Medpot. So if I am going to tell you the briefing about the Medpot, so Medpot is basically a container that actually captures the details related to the medical appliances. Like there are so many medical equipments that are working these days based on IoT. So actually this is my container of Medpot that is actually looking like this, and there are some attacks that are captured over this particular container. So we are supposed to see them, like from where the attacks come. So actually if I'm going to do some analysis of this Medpot container, then you see there are basically 12 attacks coming over my Medpot container. So actually what happened here is like my Medpot container is actually looking like a medical device on which attackers try to hack and then try to get some of the useful information or from them as well. So here you see like there are the 12 total attacks that are coming over this Medpot over the last 30 days. So these are the countries like France, United States and Russia from where I actually got the attacks. So these are the anonymous networks, Onipi, SAS, uCloud information, Proton 66, that is I think from Russia. So if we are going more digging into this, then these are the source IPs. So we just want to see like what type of attack it comes over this particular uh, Medpot. So here we just want to see, we did some of the log analysis like these are some sort of data fields that are coming over here, you see. So we see like how this attack happens. So first of all we just need to see the logs. We want to see the logs of Medpot, and these logs are obviously for the last 30 days. Okay, and if we take the top IP, that is 153. So if this is the source IP, we are just going to come here and print here source IP. So if we are supposed to here and seeing this, so yeah, so here are the two logs that are related to this. So if we are going to do some of the analysis, then the source port is 48462 from where attacker actually tries. So this server is actually operating from Frankfurt, yep, Germany. So this is the geographic location of my teapot, where my teapot is actually placed, and this is the geographic information of the client. Like he attacks from Virginia, United States, and this is his IP, and this one is operating from the uCloud information technology. This is not exactly the company, this is the company server who he tries to use. And then the message is like connection found. He just found my IP of this container, and then what he sent, he actually sent us Medpot log is storing here. And if we are going into the depth, then yeah, he is not sending any other thing. We are just looking for the data field that what we receive from him. So yeah, for the data field he's sending us a string. Maybe that string is actually the access code of that medical device. So this is the main thing, and this is the destination port. Like he tries to hack our port number 2575 of that medical device. So if we are going to see this port, like what this port is doing, so we are seeing 2575 port number. So it's clearly stated that port number 2575 is registered for healthcare health level 7 protocol. Basically it is basically the port that is actually used for the exchange of data between the healthcare, between the multiple protocols like TCP, UDP that are actually using over the healthcare. So he just tried to steal the data that is actually transferring between the medical devices, and you can say from medical device to the server. So this is the attack related to the medical devices. So here the second attack is similar. It's on this same port 2575, and here he tries to send us another data. Maybe this one is the access code of that particular device. So overall, if to conclude this Medpot, so this particular container is actually about the medical appliances that are going to send their data to the servers to, so attackers try their port number 2575 because this is the port that is majorly used in the medical devices. So that's all. Thanks a lot. Please like, subscribe my video, and if you found it useful, then please share with some of your friends who are really interested in learning this stuff.